Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer money to bank account from Revolut. So if you're using a Revolut, then the interface will look like this. You have to log in into your Revolut account in the mobile application. So once you do this, right here in the bottom you will see this option of transfer, as you can see here. So here you have to tap on transfer, and once you do this it will open up something like this. So if you're using for the first time, then it will show up in the top. Now, for example, that if you want to transfer to a bank account, right here you will get this option of bank recipient, right? As well as you will have more option, you can explore one by one. Now you can just go and click on bank recipient here. Now it will ask you all the information. If you're sending the money to business or individual, or it's your account, you can also add it. So here you have to select your country, currency, IBN number, and the names, right? Once you fill up all this information, you will able to do this. Alright, and this is how you can do this. It's really easy. It just take a few seconds of time. Just make sure that all the details are in handy. Right, now you can just go and click on the plus icon too. So you can send it to the plus here. Right, you can add more person on your account. Right, so thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.